I made notes because I get upset and I get worked up and shit goes out my head real easily. And I didn't want to do that with this, but as you can see, I'm getting a little irritated. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is kind of an important topic to me, is the racism and the non-existing shade range in the beauty, I don't know what you call it, in the beauty companies releasing their stuff. I don't know. But what brought this on is Beauty Blender, who makes fucking beauty blenders, came out with a brand new foundation. And Beauty Blender with an amazing foundation, they could fuck the game up. That you wouldn't be able to, like, how could you compete with that? You get a fucking Beauty Blender, which is the best. Those, I don't have one personally, but those are the best ones everyone says ever. And you get their really good foundation, and they were getting everyone's money. They come out recently, I don't even remember how many days ago, with, I first heard it had 34 shades. I was like, oh shit, that's gonna be awesome. It's gonna go, 17 lighter and medium, and 17 medium and dark shades. That'll be amazing. So the pictures come out of the shade range. What the fuck? There's 3 rows of the same fucking shade and 1 row of dark shades. How is that an inclusive shade range? How is that? How does a brand come out with a new product, a new foundation, with that as their shade range? And when you see videos of people's like promotional or PR packages, there's more fucking brown beauty blenders than there is actual brown shades of the foundation. So that got me thinking of all the other companies that have shitty shade ranges, and either no one says anything, or just companies that are no longer, or haven't been, getting my money for a while. And some of these you might know about, some of you might not. But these are just the ones that I am done with. Not even just buying their complexion products. I'm just not buying any more of their shit. I can't in good conscience, what, I don't know that word, support a brand in any way, shape, or form by buying any of their stuff when they can't include everyone that buys their products. Like, that's silly. Well, everyone knows Tarte, their shape tape foundation that they hyped up and everyone was so excited about, and they came out with, and what the fuck was that shit? They've been done for a while. You can see in some past videos where every time I have to or mention a Tarte product, I almost 100% of the time add in fuck Tarte at the end of that, because fuck Tarte. But I'm definitely not buying any more of their shit. And, yeah, like I said, I don't remember how long ago that was, but there's still no extended shade range, which they were promising. Like, oh, it's coming. We just have to develop it. It takes time to develop darker shades, which sounds like bullshit to me. But it takes time to develop those colors to get them right. And, then where's the fucking extended shade range? Where is it? Where is it? It's not. You still haven't come out with it. I don't believe a fucking word that comes out of your mouth. Like, no. And then, now this is a brand that I love all their other stuff. I mean, Wet n Wild came out with they called it a cushion foundation. It was like a sponge with like liquid foundation in it, and you push it and you put it on. And apparently it's good. I don't know. I don't have it. I've never tried it because it has 8 shades. That's it. There's no light shades. There's not one fucking dark shade. Not a single one. At all. Like how, because then pretty close right after that, they came out with a Breaking Beauty campaign about how everyone should feel beautiful. Like, this is what the beginning part, I couldn't write the end of it because it's bullshit. It says, we want everyone to feel the fierce confidence of Breaking Beauty, Wet n Wild Beauty. We want everyone to feel the fierce confidence of Breaking Beauty. Wet n Wild Beauty stands for the unapologetic and self-assured. We break barriers. We believe in your right to bring the person you are inside to the outside. Breaking Beauty is all about embracing diversity in the beauty industry and expanding on traditional beauty norms by bringing to the forefront people from different walks of life. How are you going to come out with something that says those words, but have a product that you say is so great and awesome that doesn't come in a shade for everyone who buys your makeup? That comes, like, even the models in your pictures for that campaign and for other campaigns they've had can't wear the colors in that foundation. Why do you have people models that can't even fit the color of your shade range? How do you do that? I don't know. And then this one's a little short one because It Cosmetics, their CC cream, has 7 shades. 7. There's like 1 light shade, 1 dark shade, and that orange ass shit right in the middle. Who the fuck is orange that is buying all of this shit? Who is buying all of this orange fucking foundation? That companies think they need to make 200 fucking orange shades of face products. Who is it? Because I've never seen an orange fucking person in real life. Ever. I've seen like 3 overly tan people. But that's 3 compared to a billion other fucking normal colored people. Get the fuck out of here. A newer one that I looked into because I wanted to try the foundation is the Flower Beauty company that's started by Drew Barrymore. She has 2 like foundation products and the powder product. The Light Illusion foundation comes in 10 shades. 1 dark, maybe 2. But definitely one dark color. Flower Beauty. She has 1 dark shade. Maybe 2. The one before the last dark shade could maybe be dark. But that's it. Like, how the fuck... How are you planning to be... I don't know. And then she has a stick, a multitasking foundation stick. 0 dark shades. Not 1. None. None at all. Who the fuck are you trying to cater to buy your shit? Who? The powder doesn't even come in dark shades, because if they have no dark foundations, why the fuck do they need a dark powder? Okay. Here is the paragraph for her mission statement or whatever that talks about on the actual website. Flower Beauty was the brainchild and mission of Drew Barrymore and her straightforward, no-nonsense philosophy of empowerment. That women everywhere deserve the best quality, most, I don't know this word, efficacious products. I could be wrong. At an affordable price. Drew's gift to everyone. Flower empowers women by developing products that help you look and feel great in your own skin. And to embrace your individual beauty with the support of inspired, luxurious products made with you in mind. At Flower, our passion is creating cosmetics and tools that not only make life easier and more fun, but look and feel amazing. From our prestige formulas that will delight and surprise, to packaging that's designed for packaging that's designed for performance and charm. Blah, blah, blah. So I don't know who the fuck she's trying to. Like, do you remember when Fenty Beauty came out from the gate, from the start, with 40 fucking shades? Everyone lost their fucking minds. Holy shit, guys. Look at what they're doing. This is amazing. People ate it up. They loved it. Because nobody's doing that. Nobody was doing that at all. No, like, they were sold out of the dark shades all the time. Like, all the time. I saw X's through all the dark shades. If that does not tell you that not only will black women buy the shit if you make it for them, that they like it. Like, come on. Fucking. Alright, well, I'm done talking about the shit companies. Let's talk about some brands that do have a lot of shades and do have an inclusive shade range. Because that's nice. And I like that. This is from a list I got online from like Allure magazine, I think. So, and I came up with like 2 other ones that I remembered recently came out with new shade range. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless has 40 shades. There's an APDG Longwear Liquid Pigments has 33 shades. Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation has 30 shades. Cover FX Power Play Foundation has 40 shades, and they have multiple undertones, which is nice because every black person I know does not have a red fucking undertone. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation has 40 shades. Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation has 30 shades. Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Longwear Foundation has 40 shades and multiple undertones. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation has 40 shades. Marc Jacobs Beauty Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation has 29 shades. NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation has 33 shades. Bare Minerals Original Foundation has 30 shades. I know CoverGirl just came out with a huge new line that has a shit ton of shades. And Colourpop also came out with a line that has a shit ton of colors. So, I mean, seriously, if you learn nothing from the Fenty Beauty launch, like, come on. Why do brands not fucking listen to customers? Why don't they pay attention to what the fuck is going on around, like, in the people that are buying this shit? It's like, they hear it and like, I feel like I'm going to do whatever the fuck I want. Because I don't want to do that. Why would you do that? That makes no sense. I mean, to be a thriving makeup brand in 2018, you need to cater to everyone, not just everyone. Like, if a brand doesn't make a shade for 3 out of 4 people in my family, it doesn't matter that 3 of them are boys. That's not the point. Because they might want to wear makeup. I'm just saying. If the brand doesn't have a shade for 3 of them, for 75% of my family, they don't need to have any of my money. At all. Why would I give them my money? So what are your thoughts on brands that don't have an inclusive shade range or inclusive, just don't act inclusive in the products that they make and sell? What are your thoughts on that? Because you've just heard all mine. Thanks for watching. Oh, and then Beauty Blender came out with a tweet or something that says, like, hey, wait a second. The filter on that picture, that doesn't accurately show all of our shade range. There is no filter in the fucking world that will disguise the fact you have 3 shades of fucking orange, white, tan colors and 1 row of dark. No filter that will fuck that up. That will change that. None. Okay, so what is the thing recently I've noticed? All the colors of foundation, the ones that don't really have an extensive shade range, literally have 1 legit orange shade. Who the fuck is that for? Like, literally, it's orange. Who's wearing this?